How to set custom ringtone on Google Pixel 8 Pro, Pixel 8 and other Pixel device running the Android 15. By default, set the ringtone on a Google Pixel device. You can set the default ringtone or set the downloaded song or any MP3 downloaded ringtone on your device. Let's see how to set a custom ringtone on a Google Pixel 8 and other Pixel device. First of all, open the settings on your device. Scroll down up to sounds and vibration. Here you can see sound and vibration. Tap on it. Now again scroll down. Here you can find the phone ringtone option. Tap on it. By default, you can see the different available sound. My sound, Pixel sounds. You can see the list of different ringtones. 23 sound here. Sound matters. Here you can see different ringtone. You can see the list of different category. If you want to set the default, just select any category and choose the ringtone. Or if you want to set the downloaded song or your favorite song from your phone, tap the My Sound option. At the bottom right, you can see the plus icon. Tap on it. Now here you need to set the ringtone or select the ringtone from your downloaded list. Here we select this. Here you can choose your audio, your downloaded files or your pixel device. So here we select audio. Here you need to find the file. Tap the download. In download we find my downloaded ringtone. So tap on it. Now you can see add this ringtone to your pixels list. Just select it and tap on a save at the top right corner to set the custom ringtone on a Pixel 8 Pro and other Pixel device. That's it. If you like it, share it.